All right, don't mind my mess here, but we are going to replace my actual 3D head. All right, this is a 0.4 nozzle that we're going to replace, but this is the package that you get it. You get a couple of these silicones. Look at that. So I like that they give you extra ones. This is a plus. And let's get the whole thing now. And this is a must. So if you guys don't know what this is, I'm going to explain to you guys in a bit, all right? So, ooh, and they give you another one? They give you two different ones. So I'm going to show you guys what they are for, right? Now, if you wanted to change it to a 4 to a 2, you can do that, all right? Easily. Out of the package first, right? Oh, these things are hard. Just put it out. So on this one right here, look at this. It has a magnet already, right? And this one's a 0.4, if you guys can see that. And right now we're going to face it this way, just like the magnet. So how do you take it off, right? And let me explain for in case you guys don't know. This tool here is to remove the nozzle, all right, itself. So let me see if I can take out the silicone. So if you ever want to change the entire thing, you can, or you get a clog, you can just unclog it through taking off this. And this is to take out the entire thing too. So I like that they give you the tool, all right? And enough silicone covers to cover the entire thing, which is good. On these, they just clip on the top, all right? There's a little opening on the top, and that's pretty much how they go, right? So don't worry about if they're not perfect. Just make sure that this point right here, it does line up properly, right? That's important, because if you don't do that, then you're going to get filament stuck. Now, we're going to replace it, and we're going to remove it. And to remove the head, you got to take this off first, all right? And I don't even have nails right now. There we go. Pops out, all right? So we're going to replace this one. And turn it off. Make sure you turn it off. Forgot to do that. Turn it off, completely off, all right? And don't lose this, of course. This is important. Now, you might have filament in here, right? But make sure you cut it, whatever you have in there, you cut it off. And then all you got to do is take this off. Take this off right now. You see that? You take this off, all right? And all you got to do is remove this here. And this entire thing is magnet, all right? It's a magnet. And this has filament. But this is a 0.4 that we're going to replace with this one right here. And, of course, it's a little different. So don't worry about it. But look at same size. Different colors, same size. Now, one thing I'm going to recommend you is that you are going to need to redo the calibration on this thing, all right? So we're going to put this in here, all right? Put it in here. See that? Make sure you lock it in place. And then we are going to put the new silicone cover, all right? Start from the bottom. We got it here. So once we got that going, make sure you calibrate, all right? Now we're going to put this cover back on, all right? And then keep the old one because, of course, you want to remove you could remove the tool and take out the clogs from the old one too with the tools that you have now. So we're gonna do calibration. We're gonna turn it on. Once you turn it on, it took a while, so we're gonna go into settings. All right, so let's go back to settings. All right, here, settings, maintenance. All right, we're gonna go maintenance. We're gonna do calibrations. Right, that's where we're gonna have to go, calibrations. And it's going to start the whole procedure. It's going to take about 20 minutes, all right? So we're going to let it run. Make sure that the tip is touching here because that's what it's going to require. And hit the start button. And then we are going to test it out to print something out and see how it works, all right? So we'll come back right now. All right, just send a helmet here to see if it prints. First time printing with the new head. Of course, we have the old one right here. And we are going to keep it because it still needs, I'm going to do some maintenance on it on the old one. But we're going to see how this one works for the first time we're going to print. It finished calibrating. It took about 20-30 minutes. And then let's test it out with a helmet. All right, it's printing so far so good. We got plenty of filament, I hope. So we'll come back in the morning and see how this thing goes, all right? So far so good. It's halfway done. Let's see in the morning. All right. I got a mess in here. I got to clean up. But this morning came out, this print head came out pretty good. And we're going to take a look at it. This is something you could get for, you get a replacement for your A1 like I did right now, which is really good. But look at this quality. came out pretty good actually. See one tiny long bite, but it's part of the actual print, so just barely made it. So I had enough. So we're gonna finish this out. This is beautiful. So I like it. Let's see the top. I need to get rid of the top. Sand it down. It's gonna be a football helmet, but I just want you guys to see it. How good this thing is, you know.